And here we have it, guys. The Proboat 17-inch Powerboat racer. It is self-riding, so if it tips over, the boat will come back. And it's ready to go. Comes with everything. These bad boys retail for around $330. Let's crack it open, see what you get, and have a look at the boat. The yellow really pops. And there you have it. It looks good. Oh yeah, Team USA. So that's the boat. Let's see what else you get in here. AAA batteries. They're AAA. Boat stand. White box. Let's have a look in here. Alright, so looks like it's your charger. There it is there. So straight in your charger and then any USB port. So USB charger they'll give you, which is included. Alrighty, so you've got your LiPo. Let's have a look at this. Spectrum LiPo. Alright, there it is there. So it's a 1300 milliamp battery, 30C, 11.1 volt. It's got the IC3 connector on there, same as the EC3, and your normal balance plug. So that's that. And then you've got your good old controller. Pretty basic, simple, feels comfortable, and 4 AAAs for that one. Alright, so let's quickly have a look at the boat. It does look really nice, guys. It is a little bit back heavy, but we'll see how that goes. Alrighty guys, so let's start off with the battery compartment. Front, left hand side, and you've got heaps of room in there. There you have it. Electronic speed controller. Here she is here. It's a 30 amp brushless, and it is water cooled. You will get IC3 connector, which the EC3 connector will be compatible. Just regarding your motor, guys, it's the Dynamite 8-pole brushless motor. It's 2,900 kV. It's an outrunner, and it's water cooled. Alrighty, so just regarding the receiver, it's the Proboat 2.4, so no glitching or radio interference. It's held down by these 2 screws. Just before you run it, guys, we'd highly recommend getting a couple of balloons, whacking it over the receiver. So you start from this end, shove it in, and the balloon will finish about here. 2 of them, cable tied about right here. Just make sure when you cable tie it, don't over tighten it. Alright, and what they'll do is they'll stop any water from getting inside the receiver. If any water gets inside the receiver, you'll notice glitching or cutting in and out. It's a big pain, so you might want to do that before you take this boat out. So your servo, focus, it's a micro servo, HRZ 00007. And it's a waterproof, metal geared, 13 gram servo. So just regarding the hull, it's made out of ABS plastic. Now it's 17 inches. In centimeters, it's about 42 centimeters, our Aussie viewers. And just another quick tip, you got your antenna here from your receiver. They will give you a little plastic piece to put in there. Make sure you put that in there, because if any water gets inside here, or what I should say, if you don't put it in there, the plastic sleeve, water can get inside here. And if it gets inside, well, it's just going to cause you dramas. Just make sure you don't leave any of this wire popped outside of the plastic sleeve they give you. If there's any hanging outside, just tuck some into the boat. Just regarding the speed on the Proboat 17, it's got a top speed of 30 miles an hour, which is roughly around 50 kilometers. Everything's included inside this boat. You'll have your 2.4 radio, boat stand, AAA batteries for the controller, USB charger, the battery, and your antenna tube. Make sure you just put that on. So let's quickly go out and see how it went. Not a bad little boat, guys. So I'll just give you a quick verdict. Very zippy indeed. The self-riding wasn't too bad. It took us a few goes to get it right. And just regarding the boat, at high speeds, it's a little bit back-end heavy. So just always wanted to sort of tip over to one side. And that's it, guys. We'll see you for the next one. Stay tuned.